Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. You may not know this about me, but I like tech. Today's video will be about Office XP. Office XP is basically an interactive tour that you can take to learn about Office. Hello, Future Asher here. And you hear me say Office XP a lot in this, and I have no clue kind of why I said it so much. I never said one thing, which you saw on the screen just a second ago. It's called Microsoft Interactive Training. They just call the specific syllabus Office XP. But when there's multiple syllabuses, the actual software that's used is called Microsoft Interactive Training. So don't mind me when I say Office XP. I mean, you can, because the one we're looking at today is Office XP. But the software kind of, the window itself is called Microsoft Interactive Training. Yep, that's it. Okay, back to the video. That means PowerPoint, Word, I almost said Google Slides there, Word, Excel, etc., etc. And it was pretty interesting because I actually had this physical CD, and it was not installed on a Windows XP machine I had. Instead, what was installed was it was the same interface, the same kind of application interface, which I'll show you because this is not just a singular Microsoft item. It's a syllabus, as they call it, foreshadowing. But what was actually installed, and for some dumb reason, I decided to wipe the machine, and it was so dumb of me because it was actually how to use Windows XP. It actually had some old screenshots of MSN, and I just really want to see that again. So sometime I'm going to try and find a copy on archive.org, because I have no clue where that CD is. But I had the CD for Office XP, and in today's video we're going to be looking at that. So it's basically a variation of the touring Windows XP I just told you about. It's another syllabus, and what I mean by syllabus is, hold on, let's install it. Okay, so here I've got a ISO file in which the CD's contents are in. I didn't put the actual CD in, I just copied the CD's files off of it, but I do have the physical CD. But let's double click on that, and it'll say Run Setup. Now this was actually intended to run on only Windows XP and Microsoft Windows 2000. It actually will not run. It will refuse to run on anything above that, which just kind of bugged me because I want to install on Windows 10. But yeah, it bugged me to know. I was just like, come on, just install. And I tried, compatibility things, etc. But it didn't really work. So I'm going to start by doing this, accepting the agreement, and full installation. So you can see it, you can actually just do the thing where it will actually just read it from the CD in quotation marks. But let's just do full installation because we have plenty of space, 10 gigabytes, whatever. Okay, let's call this. Oh, yes, you should. Oh my god, no way. That's what you should do. Okay, let's make a shortcut, and we've got our nice old background of installer here and our progress bar. So this is actually installing both the interface and what they call a syllabus. A syllabus in this case is basically where it's kind of like I was saying, basically, there was how to use Windows XP, and this is how to use Office, basically, and those are both syllabuses. So let me type this in. Let's just do VM XP. That's what I always call my VMs. I've actually got the whole Windows timeline here. We've got MS-DOS, 1X, 95, 98 FE, 98 SE. Now, the reason I have FE is because there's a cool Easter egg. Oh, I should do a video on all these Windows Easter eggs. That's actually a really good idea. Which is basically, oh wait, look at that, cool glitch alert, woot woot, cool glitch alert. Windows XP taskbar from the VM. Oh wait. This is a window. Oh, that looks so weird for a second. Look at that. It looks like there's a Windows XP taskbar. I'll also do... Wait, what? Oh my god. No way. No, it's actually working. What? Weird Windows glitch. So this is actually somehow reacting to the taskbar on XP. Okay, anyways. Yes. OSX, which I'll do a video on, actually. I'll film that right after this. XP64, which is, 64 bits. XPRTM, I'll do a video on that. Server 2003, Vista, which I should do a background on Vista, just, saying there's some things that people got wrong about it. Server 2008 hasn't been installed yet. 7, 8.1, 2012, Windows 11, I haven't installed that yet. Mirror 1, which is installing a VM and a VM and a VM and a VM and a VM. And Windows 10 1? I don't know why I put 1 there. Ubuntu, Temple OS, I'll do a video on that. Yosemite and Snow Leopard. Neither of those are installed. Okay. Yeah, that's my Windows timeline. Okay. Okay. Really? There we go. Oh my god, it's a username. Oh my god, guys, it's a username. Oh my god, I just can't do this, can I? XP. There we go. So you'll hear this is you'll see here. You'll see that this is available syllabuses. I hope I pronounced that right. Please, please don't tell me I'm not pronouncing that right. Syllabus. You know what? I'll just call it. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it syllabuses. But you can see here we've got Microsoft Office XP Pro here, which is. Wait, what? Oh, professional. I was like, oh my god, are we already getting Pro? Just like the iPhone 15 Pro? No. So we're just going to do audio and text, and no spoilers there. But basically, this is where your syllabus is. So this is Office XP. If you had another one installed, or if you had this installed already, this interactive training window, it's called Microsoft Interactive Training, by the way, then all you'd have to do is pop the new software in, and it would install the syllabus, no new applications. So you're like, oh, I'm done with Office. Okay, let's do XP now. So yeah, there's probably a time, and I'll put the ISO file for this in the description, of course. If you need the files raw, you can just extract it. But hang on, quick camera adjustment. Okay, yeah. So, we're going to look at it. I'm not really going to show you it because you can install this yourself on a XP machine or a VM. If you need to know how to install a VM, then probably don't install this because it'll take a long time. But we're going to look at this is how to use the product. I'll show you that.
In the next 60 seconds, you'll learn how to get the most out of this Microsoft Interactive course.
To start, double-click a unit, lesson, or topic in the table of contents.
Use these buttons on the dashboard to stop, pause, or play. Use these buttons to jump ahead or jump back within a topic and to move between topics.
These buttons link you to more information, such as glossary definitions, tips.
So yeah, we've got our nice little people there talking. You can actually find those audio files in local disk. Sorry about this mouse cursor, it's just gone wild. There we go. I guess it's just some kind of weird thing. Files, it's actually MS Press. Training, database, not database, sorry. Whatever that is. Library, content. Wave? Yeah, here we go. So look, if I just click on a random one. Whatever this is. I'm just gonna check the...
As the complexity of a worksheet grows, the formatting and visual presentation become more important.
So yeah, there's the talking, but that's not important. So we're just gonna go ahead. Let's do I think PowerPoint's actually the most. It's probably the coolest right now because there's some cool stuff. So we're just gonna do creating a new presentation.
Creating a new presentation.
In this exercise, you'll learn to create a presentation. You'll also learn to apply a slide.
When you first start PowerPoint, a blank presentation like this one appears. This task pane includes 3 options for creating a presentation. You can use this option anytime that you want to create a blank presentation. Using a design template applies a color scheme, a layout, and font selections to give a presentation an interesting appearance. The Auto Content Wizard will guide you through the steps necessary to design a presentation.
Let's create an employee orientation presentation for AdventureWorks. These placeholders for a title and subtitle are included in the title slide of a blank presentation by default. To apply a slide layout that doesn't include a subtitle, click this arrow and then click Slide Layout.
Okay, look, I'll actually clicking it, and then Slide Layout.
Now click this slide layout.
So you can see it's actually guiding you through. It's an interactive.
Notice that the slide layout has changed.
So yeah, that's it. It's an interactive course, and it's pretty cool. I think you should fiddle around with it. I would say you could just install it right off the bat without having to use a VM, but you can't because it's so incredibly fiddly. Like, look, wait, on the CDN. I'm too lazy to literally just push my drive in, but it will just say you can't. It will just say no, just no, even if you're using compatibility options. But yeah, that's this video, installing interactive training. Unfortunately, I had a much better video planned for this, but my screen recorder software did not save it. I thought it saved it automatically, and it doesn't. But we've got our nice little video here, and our Bliss wallpaper, of course. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.